So hey everyone, I wanted to take a minute and show you my favorite tree on the property. This is Zelinsky tree. No, it's not a type of fruit or anything like that. Zelinsky is the Ukrainian president, and I named this tree in honor of my friend who gave it to me. We had an inside joke going at work where he would call me Mr. Trump and I would call him Mr. Zelensky. So in his honor, I named the tree Zelinsky tree. But this is a Pakistan mulberry, and it is my favorite tree on the property. I just planted it this year, even though it was in the pot for about 3 years prior to me getting it. It was fairly tall, and you can see that the trunk size, it's pretty big. I can't wrap my hands around it, so. Right, and this thing has produced more mulberries, Pakistan mulberries, than I just care to imagine. I mean, look at the size of this thing. And it is loaded. If you can see up in here, they are everywhere. Everywhere. And this is all new growth. Oh, there's one too. Let's see if I can see that one. And we've already taken quite a bit off this tree. So let me tell you a little bit about Pakistan mulberries. They are the largest mulberry of all the mulberry types. They are a little less sweet. They ripen to this color here, this dark reddish purple. They're a little less sweet. Well, actually they're more sweet than the other ones, but the other ones are they're a little bit more tart, a little bit more tangy. These are more mild of flavor, but another big thing about it is they don't have seeds. The other mulberries, they have seeds in them like raspberries. These ones are completely seedless, and they are yummy. I bet you they're gonna make a good jelly this year. You see? They're just everywhere up in here, all over. Just loads of mulberries on this tree. And they're just everywhere. And like I said, we've already gotten quite a bit. So thanks to my friend who gave me this tree. It is my favorite tree, the Pakistan mulberry. And this thing is going to get large, very large, and it's going to provide shade, hopefully, for my chickens who are all huddled up in the shade back there. So I'm kind of in a hurry for this tree to grow, for shade and for mulberries. So hope you like my mulberry tree. Thumbs up if you do. Thumbs up if you have one. Let me know in the comments below. What do you think? Different types. I'm considering another mulberry. Suggestions would be great. Anyways, have a good day. Thanks for watching. God bless.